Welcome to Maintenance Manager. In this video, we'll look at the new two-way integration features between PropertyMe and Maintenance Manager. Maintenance can be created in either PropertyMe or Maintenance Manager, and the request will appear in both platforms. From there, you can workflow the job, receive job status updates in PropertyMe, and once it has been completed, the invoice disperses automatically back to PropertyMe for payment. First, ensure your integration is set up and ready to go. You can add your PropertyMe integration information by going to Tools, Integration Options, PropertyMe Integration Configuration. If you need help deciding the correct data to input and where to find it, please contact our support team. You can also confirm the integration is working anytime by going to Tools, Import Tools, Data Import Log. Here, you should see a list of regular imports. If you think something doesn't look right, again, please contact our support team. A maintenance request can originate from multiple sources, such as the Maintenance Manager Tenant app or web portal, Property Manager app, InspectSafe, or the PropertyMe Manager app. It doesn't matter where the job is created. You can efficiently workflow the request through Maintenance Manager and at all times providing status updates to PropertyMe users. You can also force a maintenance request import anytime from within Maintenance Manager by going to the New Requests folder and clicking Import Requests from PropertyMe. After the import completes, you will see the job sitting in your New Requests folder, upon which you'll be able to take advantage of Maintenance Manager's automated reminders, trusted, licensed, and insured trade suppliers, and detailed event logs. As a job is workflowed, you will seamlessly receive multiple status updates, such as quote received, approved for allocation, etc., which will be sent automatically from Maintenance Manager directly into PropertyMe, allowing PropertyMe users to keep track of a job's status at all times. Once the trade supplier has completed the job and provided an invoice, it will appear in the Invoice Approval folder in Maintenance Manager. Click the Approve button and confirm all invoice details before finalizing. All approved invoices will then progress to Jobs, Trust Reconciliation for a final check, where you can select Send to PropertyMe and Process. After 10 to 30 minutes, the invoice will appear in PropertyMe, Accounts, Bills for disbursement. If you have any questions on Maintenance Manager and PropertyMe integration, please contact our support team.